Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can contact PayPal. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. The first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.paypal.com. So once you do this, you will end up in the official website of PayPal. So now all you need to do is simply tap on the help icon. Once you tap on the help option, you can simply scroll down below where you can find the contact us option. So once you tap open contact us, you will end up in this interface. So if you scroll down below, you can find the methods by which you can contact PayPal. So you can use any of these methods to contact your respective PayPal. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.